Hello, my lovely girls. I want you to bring your math book and open page 433. Let's do our homework page. For 1 till 8, divide to find equivalent fractions. So, as we said yesterday, that we are going to use division to find equivalent fractions. From number 1 to number 4, he writes for you all of the numbers, so no need to think about them. He helped you and he writes for you all the numbers to use for division. Let's take a look at number 1. 5 over 10 divided by 5 over 5. If I divide the numerator by 5, I have to divide the denominator also by 5, as he did. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. If you forgot, you can use multiplication as an opposite operation. It means 1 multiply 5, it makes 5. 2 multiply 5, it makes 10. Number 2. 2 out of 12 divided by 2 over 2. Let's divide the numerator first. 2 divided by 2, it gives me 1. 12 divided by 2, it gives me 6. So 1 over 6, it's an equivalent fraction for 2 out of 12. Number 3, 12 over 6 divided by 3 over 3. I can use 3 as a factor and I can divide the numerator by 3 and I can divide the denominator by 3. So 12 divided by 3, it gives me 4. 6 divided by 3, it gives me 2. 4 over 2, it's an equivalent fraction for 12 over 6. Number 4, 40 over 100. If I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 10, I can see that the answer is 4 out of 10 because 40 divided by 10, it gives me 4. 100 divided by 10, it gives me 10. You can use the multiplication to find the answer. 4 multiply 10, it gives me 40. 10 multiply by 10, it gives me 100. So from number 1 to number 4, they are really easy because they put for you all the numbers here to use for division. But for number 5 till number 8, you are going to guess. So let's guess together. How the 100 it's for? What is the number that I use it here? And I use it by division for 100 and it gives me 4. I think it's 25 because 100 divided 25 it gives me 4, and for sure I have to divide the numerator with the same number. If you divide the denominator by 25, you are going to divide the numerator by 25. So 25 divided by 25 it's 1. 100 divided by 25 it's 4. Number 6. How the 8 it's 2? Because I divide 8 divided by 4, it gives me 2, so I will divide the denominator also by 4. So 12 divided by 4, it gives me 3. Number 7, 70 over 100. How the 70 is 7? Because I divided it by 10. So let's divide also the denominator by 10 and get 7 out of 10 as an equivalent fraction. Number 8. How the 18 it's 9? Because I divided it by 2. And the 10 divided by 2, it gives me 5. So 9 over 5, it's an equivalent fraction for 18 out of 10. Now, for 9 till 16, find an equivalent fraction for each given factors. Here you can think about any number you want to use while you are dividing the numbers. But I will give you sample answers. So number 9, 75 over 100. Why not to think about 25 as a factor, and I will use 25 to divide the numerator and 25 to divide the denominator. So 75 divided by 25, it gives me 3. 100 divided by 25, it gives me 4. So 3 out of 4, it's an equivalent fraction. Number 10, 4 out of 10.